channel. So today I'm redoing stuff in my room. I'm painting my closet door. Do I have a stain? No. And I'm gonna be painting, you see that bookshelf right there? I'm gonna paint it too, and I'm gonna slowly be redoing my room. So I'm like, why not record it since the beginning? So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I was like, why not just do a video and see how I transform my room little by little. It's not gonna be a one-day transformation. It's gonna take a while because I have to get everything and stuff. You know, it's quarantine, corona time. Anyways, I look crazy. It's 11:44. It's early, but yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't liked and subscribe, like and subscribe and be a part of this beautiful journey. Yeah, never mind. All right, bye guys. So this is how my bookshelf looks before with everything in it. So I forgot to take a before when my closet doors were there, but as you can see, this is my closet, and these doors were in it, and I'll paint them white. Great. But yeah. So here, me and my mom are just starting to paint my closet doors. As you can see here, I'm just taking everything out of my bookshelf so I can start painting it. Hey, so I took a little break and I'm eating a Hot Pocket.
You know that means that when we get back to school
But
and everything,
yeah, I have this so far. So here I'm spray painting this little bin that I had where I had my nail polish in, and it was blue before and I didn't want it blue, I wanted it white, so I spray painted it white. Hey guys, so it's 3:21 and I've literally been painting for like about 3 hours, yeah. But now I'm gonna paint, I don't know if you can see it, but these like white frames. So I painted the little frames here so it could be more. It looks actually so much better. And then I painted this also, like the border thing. We have to go for the second pass on this. That'll be in a bit. And here's also, this is a little mirror. The mirror is right here if you guys are wondering. We painted a frame. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. We'll be back. I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. I had dinner And I fixed my hair because it was in my face and I'm so tired. It's just 5:02. But anyways, I didn't record, but we've recorded. We painted it again. Repainted it? Is it repainted it? We did it again on the mirrors on my closet doors, and now I'm gonna paint again this. Give it a second pass, then I have to paint the borders. So I come to the conclusion that I am gonna paint my walls. I'm gonna paint them white. My mom is gonna get more paint, and I might paint it tomorrow or throughout the weekend. So yeah, that's a little update. The mess is still here. I'm throwing a bunch of things out. I've come to the conclusion that I like to save everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna repaint this and I'm gonna show you what I have done so far. And yeah, so we went the second pass with this. As you can tell, it's really white now. The mess, yeah, still there, as you can tell. I also painted that, the picture frame thingy. Look, this is like a freaking tripod thing, but I don't even know how to function it because, you know, that's me. And then I have to paint the borders and the door, and then I'm gonna paint this now. So yeah, so I'm so tired. You guys are probably wondering, like, Yummy, why would you put tape? This is a Hispanic style. I just learned it today, to be honest. My mom was like, esto es que nosotros hacíamos los tiempos de antes. So I'm like, you know what? Why not do it? Alright guys, I am back. It's currently 9:33. I am so exhausted, like I really am. But we finished everything. We still have everything laid out on the floor and stuff because we're just waiting to like dries up completely. So we're gonna put everything back, like my closet doors. We're gonna put it back tomorrow morning and stuff. But I have to clean this. I'm just gonna put it towards the side right here because tomorrow I'm gonna clean everything out and throw out whatever I don't need, which is probably most of it because I need to stop keeping things because that's not it. Like, no. Yeah, everything will kind of look a little better tomorrow, I guess, because this won't be on the floor anymore and there will be more room. And then I have to go buy more paint so I can paint my walls and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow morning how everything is set up, and then that will be it for the first part of this video. And then the second part will be when I like paint my room and stuff and everything. And then there's gonna be multiple parts because my room is not gonna be fixed anytime soon. I'm going slowly and I have to still buy a lot of things like room decoration and stuff because I'm changing my room completely. But I'm out of breath. Oh my god. But yeah guys, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully this all works out and everything looks decent. Good morning guys, it's the next day. No, I don't got corona. I have allergies. Yesterday I was out and like I was doing stuff, so my allergies are acting up and I'm so stuffed. But anyways,
I woke up a couple minutes ago. It's 11:37. But today we're just gonna put up my closet doors. As you can tell, the closet doors go there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And pretty much it for this video. Oh look, the thing I spray painted yesterday, the little container. Look at it. It's super cute. Oops. There's a little, don't mind that. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I put up my closet doors so you guys can see the results. And I look crazy, I know, I just woke up, but so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this little part 1 transformation of my room. Oh my god, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so please like and subscribe and be on the lookout for the second part. It's gonna be soon. But yeah, bye guys.